Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about changing the home page in Magento 2. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first method is that is using the admin panel. So log into the admin panel. Already I'm logged into the admin panel, right? Here you can see that. Okay, so URL and logged in. Okay, so what was the next step? Next it would be navigate to the content pages. Okay, so here we go with the content. Next go with the pages, and here you get the home page, right? So here we have the home page. Okay, here you can see that, but you can edit this page or you can change that page to another page also. Okay, how? I'll see you. Edit or create the CMS page, create an existing page or create a new one page. Okay, so update the title, content, whatever it is, just save it. Okay, and here you can see you can edit this content because currently it is set, the home page is set, so you can edit the content, whatever you want to add, you can call it over here. But here you can see that it just write CMS homepage content goes over here, right? So CMS page content goes over here, so whatever you want to add, the anything, the HTML, everything, you can just add it over here or add it with the page builder also. Okay, so you can add a row or anything, you can just add it up over here, right? Okay, so this would be the first thing that you can do and do the SEO and everything over there. And the same thing, the designs and everything, you can just update the one column, two column of the sidebar, you can just add it up over here. Okay, so this is what you can do, and you can call any PHTML templates also over here, right? What would be the next step? Second method, how, where I can come to know that what would be my page, the main page. Okay, so you will get to know about in the stores and the configuration. If I go to the stores, then we have a configurations in the web. Okay, so here you will get to know about the default pages. So here you can see that the default web URL is CMS and the CMS homepage is homepage. Here you can see that. So you can select any page over there also. Okay, it depends on to you, right? And which further for not font page you want to add, if you want to enable the cookies, breadcrumbs, all these settings will come over here. And this would be the default layouts, right? For the category, for the product, for the page. Or you can set also over there, right? So this is what you can do for the home page. And after saving all the details, flush the cache, go to the system, cache management. So here go to the system, then we have a cache management system, and just check all, select all and refresh or enable or and submit this or flush the Magento cache. So this is how you can change the home page. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.